Stage 4, the funnest of all 4 stages really is seeing everything come back together. And that included the custom paint job, tons of trim work, the reassembly of the whole vehicle. And where we're at is now we have what we consider a stellar modular platform. The ADR to me is more than just another build. It really has already cemented itself into what the legacy of Yeti Built's gonna be. I think that's the most important thing about this rig is it's gonna have a long life of clocking dirt road miles and all kinds of incredible experiences with Pete and whoever else is around it. So that's something that I'm very proud of.